Today, Chinese animals. Mao Mao.
Mao? Like mowing lawn?
No, cat.
Meow, 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 meow.
Go, go.
Go? Go where?
It means dog.
Dough? Like bread?
Meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
I give up.
Actually, 熊猫、麋鹿、东北虎、丹顶鹤、华南虎、扬子鳄、金丝猴、藏羚羊、雪豹。
Wait. You know these?
我去过四川看熊猫，哇，熊猫好可爱。I just like watching you teach me cat and dog. 再见。